guys, welcome to another sneaker in Sweden. Hey guys, welcome to another Stranger in Sweden sneaker review, and today I've got the Vans Skate High for you. This is from the Croc Pack from the Vans California 2014 series. Croc Pack came with two shoes, a black one and a grey one. I picked up the black one because black. The Skate High is one of Vans' oldest silhouettes. Earlier it was called the Style 38, but now they've changed it to the Skate High. These are primarily used for skating. Not these, you won't want to skate with these. The leather on these is just too good to skate. The Skate High is nothing but a high top version of the Vans old school design, because skaters wanted something with a bit more ankle support. So you can see the padding right there. This is one of the most iconic pairs of skate shoes ever, because a lot of big skaters have skated in these. A lot of people starting out buy these. Overall, this is quite a basic shoe. So the outsole is the signature Vans waffle pattern, which gives you great grip. You won't be skating these, so don't worry about that. These come with a vulcanized midsole, and it's quite durable. If you notice, they're missing the black stripe that usually runs along the side, which is quite nice because it gives you better contrast. I think if the white stripe was there, these wouldn't look as good as they do now. The upper on these is absolutely fantastic. I'm a big fan of textured uppers, and this shoe delivers. You can see the signature Vans foam strip on the side, and that's also done up with some nice tumble leather. It doesn't have the croc pattern. The leather on these continues to the inside, and that is something I do not like about the shoe, because if you don't wear socks that are high enough, these rub against your ankles, and that's not nice. All of that might sound really standard, but what sets this shoe apart is this zipper. There's a zip at the back. What that means is you never have to do the laces on these, ever. So you lace them up once and that's it. That's really good, because if you need a shoe that you're going to wear every day, which you might have to take off if you go to the temple or some other Indian shit. In India, you will be asked to take your shoes off in a lot of places, like your aunt's house, your grandparents' house, your own house, and textile stores, recording studios and places like that. So when they do that, you can just... There's a little triangle here, the base of the zipper, and it's suede. So Vans have used a nice YKK zipper on these, so you know you won't have any of those easy problems. The laces on these are waxed, but you won't be using them anyway. So these also come with an Ortholite insole, which means they're really comfy, and I would wear these all throughout the year with all kinds of outfits, because these are really timeless. This colorway especially will go with anything. These are an excellent shoe to have in your rotation, because unlike the canvas versions, they're not going to rip or anything like that. Vans is a popular brand in India now. In the last few years, you can see everyone rocking Vans, from college kids to working people. So you have to do something to set yourself apart from the others, and this is something that will stand out. Now if someone tells me my zip is open, I go, whoa! I picked these up for about 3,000 rupees on Amazon, which is an amazing price for something like this, and of this level of quality, that is. And they're still available, and right now they're at about 2,700 rupees. So don't sleep on these, go pick them up. If you really want a pair of Crocs on your feet, buy these, or something like these. Please don't buy some of those plastic shoes with the holes, the ones that are ugly. Yo, so I'm done talking, time to do some walking. That's about it, guys, and that was another shoe review from Stranger in Sweden. Check out the blog post for the write-up and some photographs. Let me know in the comments what you think of these, and whether you would cop or not. Hit that like button if you liked it. If not, subscribe. Please. Yo.